How to add a drop-down menu on Monday.com boards. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open your Monday.com board and locate the column where you want to add a drop-down menu. 2. Click on plus Add Column and select the drop-down option from the available column types. 3. A window will appear, allowing you to add multiple choices. Enter the options you want, such as priority levels, project stages, or team members. 4. Customize the drop-down by assigning colors to each option for better visibility and easier selection. 5. Save the column and test it by selecting different options to see how it updates in real time. 6. Use automations to trigger actions based on drop-down selections, like sending notifications or updating statuses automatically. 7. Share the board with your team and ensure everyone understands how to use the drop-down menu effectively.